Hello and welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you how I'm upgrading my RAM in my 5.1 Mac Pro. I have 64 gigs of matching memory right there, and in here I have 64 gigs, but it's not all matching. So I'll be replacing this with the matching memory. So I'll be showing you how to do it. So all you have to do is push down on these tabs like a regular RAM, and do it on all of these, just like so. This computer, this Mac Pro can hold up to 128 gigabytes of RAM. So that's my different RAM, and we're gonna do it on this side too, just like so. I'm gonna do it fast so I can show you guys, and this is how you do it. So this is a Mac Pro 5.1 running macOS Catalina. I have 4 terabytes of hard drives in there. I have the stock graphics card, and I have an SSD, and I have a Blu-ray drive. So to install the RAM, all you're gonna do is hold it by this edge and align it with the notch right there, and you're gonna put it in like so, and there you go. And you push it in, and now it's in. And all you're gonna do now is just simply push this, do it on all of them. So let me show you guys. So right now, there's going to be 64 gigs of memory in here. And then I'm going to be showing you guys how you put the tray back into your Mac Pro 5.1. Mac Pro 5.1s are pretty expensive, but I've gotten mine for a pretty good deal. So you see this is Crucial 1600 megahertz RAM. So you just push it in, line it like so, slide it in, slide it on the other side, push it in like so. There you go. Now you do it on this. Now it's in. So we got 64 gigs of DDR3 memory. So you're gonna take these right here, and you're gonna plug this right into your Mac Pro 5.1, and you're gonna push this in just like that, and it locks in place just like that. Okay, so that's my Mac Pro 5.1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you liked it, and bye.